Model, 68-plate Renault Trafic Formula Edition SL27 dCi 120 needs turbo. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 79,663. Engine, 1,598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs but the turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys, air-con, sat-nav, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111